This is the brief on the paradigm trial for ALS. ALS is a fatal neurodegenerative disease with really limited treatments. But we're looking at a new Phase 2b trial testing PrimeC, which is an oral combo of the drugs selecizib and ciprofloxacin. With any new experimental treatment for a vulnerable population, the very first hurdle is proving it doesn't do more harm than good. First, PrimeC is incredibly safe and well-tolerated. In a trial of 68 participants over 18 months, its safety profile matched the placebo, with any side effects being mostly mild and temporary. It's kind of like checking the foundation before building a house. Safety is the absolute non-negotiable first step before we can even look at whether a drug fights the disease. Now that we know the foundation is solid, the natural next question is, does it actually protect a patient's physical abilities? Second, long-term use showed real physical benefits. Think of this like putting the brakes on a rolling car. It's not curing the disease, but continuous 18-month treatment maintained significantly better scores on the ALS functional rating scale. Crucially, these patients faced a much lower risk of severe complications, including hospitalization, respiratory failure, or death. Seeing those physical results is fantastic, but to prove this isn't a fluke, we need to know how it's working under the hood. Finally, PrimeC is actively changing the body's chemistry. Are we just masking symptoms here, or actually changing the environment? While blood work proves the drug is fundamentally altering the biological environment of the disease by successfully preserving iron balance through transferrin levels and actively dialing down specific microRNAs, which are genetic markers associated with ALS. While it still needs a larger confirmatory trial, PrimeC shows exciting, biology-backed promise as a safe way to slow physical decline for those living with ALS.